Hello, festive decorators. Welcome to Mytharchy Architecture Design Ideas channel. Transform your Christmas tree into an action-packed tribute to Spider-Man. Whether you're a lifelong fan of the friendly neighborhood superhero, or simply want a tree that stands out this holiday season, a Spider-Man-themed decoration scheme can bring a perfect blend of festivity and fandom. By combining Spider-Man's iconic red and blue aesthetic with creative elements like webbing, superhero accents, and even nods to New York City, you can create a tree that's as dynamic as the hero himself. This guide offers a mix of ready-made and DIY ideas to suit every level of creativity. So whether you're shopping for themed ornaments or crafting your own decorations, you'll find plenty of inspiration to make your tree spectacular. Spider-Man ornaments. Store-bought ornaments. Purchase ornaments that feature Spider-Man's mask, his spider logo, or miniature figurines of him in classic poses like swinging on his web. These are often available in novelty shops, comic stores, or online. DIY ornaments. Use clear plastic baubles and fill them with red and blue glitter. Paint Spider-Man's webbing or mask on plain baubles with acrylic paint or paint pens. Add small Spider-Man stickers to ornaments for a quick and easy customization. Webbing garland. Materials: use white or silver tulle, fake spider webbing, or glittery string to mimic Spider-Man's web. Stretch it lightly around the tree for a dynamic effect. DIY idea: create a garland using white yarn. Tie knots at regular intervals to form a web-like design. You can also add LED lights to highlight the webbing at night. Red and blue color theme. Choose a color palette of red and blue, Spider-Man's signature colors, and complement it with silver or black accents for contrast. Use red and blue baubles, ribbons, and boughs as the primary decorations. For variety, let's in some metallic ornaments for a modern twist. Tree topper. Spider-Man action figure. Place a Spider-Man action figure or Funko Pop at the top of the tree. Position it as though he's climbing or web swinging. Spider mask. A Spider-Man mask can also serve as a bold tree topper. If you don't have one, you can print an image of the mask and attach it to sturdy cardboard. Web design. Create a web topper using white string lights arranged in a starburst pattern at the top of the tree. Miniature cityscape accents. Add small replicas of New York City buildings, such as skyscrapers or bridges, to bring Spider-Man's world to life. You can use miniature toys or create your own using cardstock or foam. Place these miniature buildings around the base of the tree or as hanging decorations for an immersive theme. Spider decorations. Scatter small plastic or felt spiders throughout the tree. You can find these in Halloween clearance sales or craft stores. Consider adding some glow-in-the-dark spiders for a fun twist, especially for evening guests. Comic book touch. Comic page garland. Use pages from Spider-Man comics to create a paper garland. Fold the pages into chains or cut them into shapes like stars or circles. Ornament inserts. Roll up mini comic book pages or images into clear ornaments for a subtle yet creative nod to Spider-Man's adventures. Custom Spider-Man baubles. Paint or decorate plain ornaments with Spider-Man's iconic web pattern. Use black paint for the webbing and red as the background. Glitter paint can make them sparkle. Add his logo using a stencil or freehand for a personalized touch. Villain-inspired ornaments. Represent Spider-Man's rogues gallery with decorations inspired by villains like Green Goblin, Venom, and Dr. Octopus. Use green and purple baubles to symbolize Green Goblin. Create Venom-inspired ornaments with black and white designs. Make tentacle-like decorations using flexible craft wires for Dr. Octopus. Spiderweb gift wrap. Wrap gifts under the tree in Spider-Man themed wrapping paper or plain red and blue paper accented with spiderweb designs. Use black or white yarn to tie up the gifts, mimicking webbing. Additional lighting ideas. Use blue and red string lights to echo Spider-Man's colors. Alternate between the two for a striking visual effect. Incorporate LED lights shaped like spider webs or tiny spiders, if available. Creative tree skirt. Use a Spider-Man blanket, fabric with a web design, or plain red or blue fabric for the tree skirt. You can also stencil Spider-Man logos or web designs onto plain fabric to make a custom skirt. props around the tree. Place Spider-Man toys, comic books, or merchandise around the base for added charm. Consider incorporating other Marvel characters to represent his allies, such as Iron Man, Doctor Strange, or Miles Morales. A Spider-Man-themed Christmas tree is more than just a fun decoration, it's a way to celebrate the holidays with a personal and creative touch. By blending traditional holiday elements with Spider-Man's superhero charm, you'll create a tree that's both festive and full of personality. It's perfect for kids, comic book lovers, or anyone who enjoys putting a unique spin on holiday traditions. From intricate webbing garlands to DIY ornaments inspired by Spider-Man's adventures, the possibilities are endless. As you bring your tree to life, remember that the most important part of decorating is to have fun and let your love for the character shine through. This year, make your holiday season heroic and unforgettable with a tree that's truly one of a kind. Please don't forget to like. If you enjoyed watching this video, comment what's on your mind, or if you have any suggestions, then share this video so others will get inspired too. Lastly, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my upcoming videos.